낯선 집에서 정신을 차리는 한 남성이 있습니다. 그리고 재빨리 현장에서 달아나죠. 그런데
I know what you're thinking. The pool is a metaphor. But it was also very fucking real and very fucking cold. And at that moment, I couldn't help but catch a fleeting glimpse out of the corner of my eye of the swirling hot mess of my life and wonder how the hell everything could go so wrong so fast. This is what happens.
4개월 전 홀로 술을 마시는 쿱에게 매력적인 여성이 다가옵니다.
Macallan 25. Bartender tipped me off.
It's an expensive drink. I hope I'm worth it.
Don't worry, you're buying.
쿱이 좋아하는 위스키를 가져와 합석하는 여성. 그녀는 쿡과 같은 계열의 회사에서 근무하고 있었습니다.
For a minute there, it looked like you were going to come over to me, but I got impatient.
Yeah, well, I'm recently single for the first time in quite a while, so I'm afraid I don't have much game.
You're saying you have no game, that's your game.
같은 부서 직원끼리 연애하는 건 윤리 규칙에 어긋나지만 쿱은 부서가 달라 매력적인 이 여성과 잠시 말을 섞어줍니다.
So what are your goals?
Lasting love, financial comfort, peace of mind, harmony.
적어도 20살은 어려 보이는 리브. 그녀는 자신에게 안정과 평화를 줄 수 있는 쿱처럼 나이 많은 남성을 찾고 있습니다.
I'm sorry, do you talk to everybody like this?
You didn't ask me if I've been married.
Have you been married?
Yes, 2 years.
Well, you were too young.
Was. Also, it turned out he liked fat hookers. Still, after I happened upon his browsing history, I did wonder if he'd somehow sensed the fat girl in me when we met, and that's what drew him to me.
Trust me, that's not what drew him to you.
There's that game of yours.
쿱은 어른답게 현실적인 얘기를 해줍니다.
And that'll work for a while, right? Then skip ahead 10 years, you'll be 38, I'll be 58. That's when things can start to get a little shaky. You might want kids. I already have them. You might start thinking, oh, if I missed out on one of life's great experiences, and you'll still be stunning.
You think I'm stunning?
I'll be aging.
Well, I can tell you're going to age very well.
You can tell that because it's already started to happen. The point is that we'll have less sex and more wine, and maybe that'll still work for a time. Let's skip ahead another 10 years.
Must we?
I'll be 68 years old. No matter how well I take care of myself, my prostate's going to do what it does, and so will my hair. And you'll start spending your days thinking about what your life looks like after I kick it. Meanwhile, every time you leave the house, I'll wonder what young stud you'll be fucking.
Really? Are you that insecure?
Well, not yet, but I will be.
Just, wow. When did you come up with all of that?
Oh, in the 10 seconds it took you to walk from that stool to this one.
그리고 3개월 뒤 돌싱난 쿱은 홀로 조용한 아침을 맞이하며 출근을 준비합니다.
This is what happens.
돌이켜보면 그는 나름 성공한 삶을 살아왔습니다.
So you work your asses off and you dig yourselves out.
Hardest, easiest money you'll ever make. Well, it's not exactly canned food and shotguns. Hey. Oh, yeah.
그렇게 정신없이 살다가 아이가 태어나고 쿱은 대출을 받아 넓은 저택으로 이사합니다.
You buy a house 30% down, 30-year jumbo at 4.5%, and you're broke again. Kid number 2. House number 2. Broke again. But it's a different kind of broke. You're leveraged, which is a fancy way of saying you've got something to show for your efforts. The house, the cars, the stuff.
Gary.
And by now, you've lost sight of whatever naive plans you may have once had, or the things that mattered to you when you were starting out. You're moving too fast to ask yourself those hard questions. Like, when is it enough? And really, what's the point of all this shit? House number 3. Then one day, about 5 years after you bought the place, you look up and realize that you've gotten there. To that hallowed plateau where for the first time you can actually afford your own life. And in that mystical nexus where you seem to have wrangled life and all of its infinitely complex challenges into submission, that's generally where you will find your wife of 18 years in your bed with one of your closest friends. House number 4, a rental. It's small, but don't worry. It's also depressing.
쿱은 출근 후 부하 직원들에게 지시를 내린 뒤 잭과 여유롭게 스쿼시를 즐깁니다.
Oh. How are the kids? Oh, they're fine. Wife? Ex-wife.
Yeah, she's still with the Bucks. What's his name? The basketball player?
Nick. Yes.
He'll get his karma, right? Speaking of which, I gotta deliver some bad news. You're fired.
Oh, great.
농담으로 듣고 웃어 넘기지만 아니었습니다.
Liv Cross?
The managing director sleeping with an associate is...
Wait a minute, no, she never worked under me. She was in Shepard's group. And I don't think I'd ever even met her before.
Doesn't matter if you met her. It matters if you fucked her. You did fuck her, right?
그날 술이 과해 함께 잠자리를 갖긴 했습니다. 하지만 중요한 건 9번 리브의 상사가 아니라는 겁니다.
You can't fire me, Jack.
Well, we have a very strict non-fraternizing clause, or so I'm told.
Why the fuck did you bring me here to fire me?
HR needed to get in your office to get your computer, proprietary information. You know the
Those
drill.
are my clients.
Well, according to the non-solicit you signed, they're ours for at least another 2 years.
심지어 쿱이 데려온 고객 명단도 전부 뺏기게 되고 자신이 투자한 회사 펀드 그리고 동종업계의 취직도 못하는 말 그대로 빈털터리가 되어버립니다.
I'll sue.
They'll give you 6 months draw, you know?
Fuck you.
우울해진 쿱은 아들 헌터를 찾아갑니다. 그래도 지금 이 자리까지 버틴 게 자식들 때문인데.
How's school? How's school?
Fine.
You got a girlfriend?
No.
Any prospects?
No.
대화를 두 마디 이어가는 것조차 힘겨워 보입니다.
You're coming in?
Yeah. Tori's here. I want to say hi.
아내를 만납니다.
What are you doing here?
I took Hunter for some ice cream.
It's not Tuesday. I think it's a little tricky when you show up on a day that isn't your day.
I took him out for ice cream. My God.
It's confusing for him. Boundaries are there for a reason.
Boundaries? You mean like monogamy?
Really, Coop? It's been almost 2 years. When are you going to stop playing that card?
I don't know. What is the statute of limitations on adultery?
아내는 쿱을 몰아붙이지만 억울합니다. 그는 가족에게 잘못한 것이 하나도 없죠.
You sleep with Nick. You kick me out of this place. I'm forced to pay for this entire mess. And I'm the one that's not being
I'm
responsible.
not doing this right now.
Oh, well, it's really no fun doing it alone.
Oh, hey.
What?
Did he tell you he needs a new drum kit?
결론은 돈을 더 달라는 말입니다.
Every time I see you, it costs me money.
Try sticking to Tuesdays.
Tell Tori her father says hi.
Jesus.
차에서 내립니다. 그리고 사고를 낸 운전자가 다가오는데
Jake, this is my father. Daddy, this is Jake.
Pleasure to meet you, sir. I'm sorry I had to ding your car to do it.
그는 딸 토리의 남친 제이크입니다.
I'm sorry, how old are you?
I'm 20, sir.
Stop calling me sir. No one's buying it.
Sorry.
Okay, you're 20. She's 17. Are you familiar with the laws in this state?
Daddy.
It's not like that,
Okay.
sir.
Jake, is it? If you call me sir one more time, I'm gonna punch
Dad,
you in the
you're
dick.
being crazy. Mom, Dad's being crazy.
You're okay
Why
with
don't you
this?
guys go?
자신에게 말도 없이 집에 들이는 것에 화가 난 쿱.
Look at
She is a
him.
child. He's 20 years old. How is that okay in your world? Baby, leave them alone. Great, Nick's here. Hi.
Hey, cool.
닉이 나타납니다. 그는 유명한 NBA 선수입니다.
You know, I was about to grill up these terrific skirt steaks I just picked up. I mean, why don't you stick around?
Why don't I stick around? I guess why I don't stick around is probably because the idea of going into my backyard and eating steaks grilled on my $5,000 grill by the man who's fucking my wife would make me want to take
Wow.
my Shun Fuji steak knife and cut out my own heart. That's probably why I don't want to stick around. So, I'm gonna go.
Watch your toes, babe.
집으로 돌아온 쿱은 자신이 빼올 수 있는 자산을 살펴보지만 회사에 복귀하지 않는 한 손댈 수 있는 권한 자체가 없었습니다.
Liv. Just, please, let me talk to you for a second.
Look, I'm really sorry about what happened to you. It sucks that they fired you.
잠깐 사과를 한다니 이상합니다. 그녀의 신고로 쿱이 잘린 게 아닌 걸까요?
Look, I'm sorry if I mishandled things with you in any way. I just thought we were both having a
Wait,
good
stop,
time.
just stop. I don't know what you're talking about. I never filed a complaint.
잭을 찾아갑니다.
Coop, he's on a call.
It's okay, Mary. There was never any complaint.
Coop, You can't be here.
Liv Cross never filed a complaint.
It's an HR issue. I only know what I'm told.
Bullshit, Jack. You did this.
You broke company policy. My hands were
You
tied.
saw an opportunity to take my book and you decided to fuck me.
네, 인사팀에 꼰지른 건 리브가 아니라 잭이었습니다. 그는 빵빵한 쿱의 고객을 가로채고자 이런 계략을 짠 거죠.
At least let me keep my fucking capital account. I'm begging you. That's my money. I need that money.
No, it isn't. Your biggest mistake was thinking any of this was ever yours.
All right.
밀러 부부의 파티에 초대받습니다. 그리고 이 자리엔 메일과 닉도 참석합니다.
That's okay, right? We're all adults here.
Sure. It's all good.
Good stuff.
$25, please.
Yeah.
Three-time NBA All-Star. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
I have what he's having, just more of it.
You got it.
사교 모임을 좋아하는 밀러 부부는 사람들을 모아놓고 이야기를 시작합니다.
So on Saturday, we leave for Belize. I found us this villa, stunning view of the coast. The kids had their own villa next door so that we're not on top of each other, you know. But
혼자서 겉도는 걸 보고 벨이 다가와 안부를 묻습니다. 그때
hey, you two, can I just say, I love that you had such a friendly divorce.
Diane.
No, I'm just saying, you know, remember when Mike and Gail got divorced? It was like Armageddon here. Do you remember that? You know, babe, when we get divorced, I think we should do it like that.
That's it. I'm cutting you off.
사람들은 쿱을 부러워합니다. 돌싱이 된 것도, 아내와 싸우지 않고 조용히 이혼한 것도.
I think it's great. How we're all so enlightened. I mean, Mel and Nick had an affair and ended our marriage, and I guess time will tell how fucked up our kids are going to be, but, you know, you all are being so awesome about the whole thing. If I'd have known, I'm going to go take a piss.
쿱은 화장실로 향하지만 밀러 부부의 저택은 너무 넓었습니다. 잠시 집안을 둘러보는 쿱, 그리고 안쪽에서 돈 좀 생긴 쿱은 아이들을 위해 드럼 키트를 구입합니다.
What do you guys want to trade cars for a little while?
Fuck yeah.
그리고 비상열쇠를 꺼내 문을 열고 집에 드럼을 내려놓는데
Oh, for God's sake!
도리와 제이크가 잠자리를 하고 있었죠.
Go away, Jake.
Sorry, sir. We didn't know you were going to be here. I swear to God.
Daddy! What did you do? Oh my god.
I told you to stop calling me
Jake,
sir.
are you okay? What the fuck is wrong?
화가 머리끝까지 난 쿱. 왜 자신만 이렇게 억울한 일을 당하고 고통을 받아야 하는 걸까요?
Viewed from a certain perspective, life boils down to a series of interconnected decisions. The Millers decided to go to Belize. I decided to go to the Millers. Westmont Village has its own private security patrol, as well as the Westmont Police Department. The crime rate is almost non-existent. You live in a place like that long enough, you start to feel insulated from the rest of the world. You get complacent about things like alarm systems and locking all your doors.
쿱은 오전에 봤던 방으로 가 돈과 시계를 챙깁니다.
The Patek Philippe Nautilus sealed 18-karat white gold blue sunburst dial, water resistant up to 30 meters.
그리고 쿱은 이해가 가지 않는 모험을 합니다.
Hi guys, is everything okay?
Good evening, sir. You live here?
Yeah, I sure do.
Your house was placed on the vacation watch starting tonight. Saw the Honda parked on the street, lights on in the house. Figured we'd check in.
That's my son's car. I told him to pull it into the garage before we left.
So you are going on vacation?
Oh yeah, bright and early tomorrow morning. My wife must have given you the wrong date when she called it in.
No worries. Have a great trip.
Thanks, you guys. I appreciate it. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, that's not true. I was thinking that Peter and Diane Miller were assholes, and they didn't deserve all of this. And I was thinking that there were plenty of assholes just like them in the neighborhood, with houses just like this, filled with expensive shit just like this that would never be missed. Piles of forgotten wealth just lying around in drawers where they were doing no one any good. I knew this because up until a little while ago, I'd been one of those assholes.
쿱은 그동안의 걱정을 모두 내버려두고 자신이 좋아하는 위스키를 들이킵니다. 누군가는 다른 사람의 집에 침입해 이렇게 도둑질도 모자라 대문까지 열어준 걸 이해하지 못할 겁니다. 하지만 뭐 문제 있겠습니까? 아내와 자식들은 날 무시하고 통장은 텅 비었고 매달 나가는 양육비와 돈은 늘어만 가는데 이보다 최악의 일이 벌어지진 않겠죠.
And I figured, what's the worst that could happen?
하지만 어떻게든 돈은 마련해야 합니다.
I was unemployed and apparently unhireable, sitting in a $200,000 car wearing my best suit and a stolen watch. Nothing made sense. And that being the case, it was time to start considering some other options.
지금 가지고 있는 쿱의 재산으론 잘해야 6개월 정도는 버틸 수 있을 겁니다.
It's a nice watch. Got to check the book, but I think I can give you about $175,000 for it.
훔친 시계를 팔아보려는 쿱.
200.
185. Best and last.
하지만
I just need the box and the papers.
It's not new.
Yeah, I know, but it's got a serial number and a certificate of authenticity, which I'm going to need.
누가 봐도 작물인 그의 시계는 이곳에서 받아줄 수 없었죠.
Well, what if I drop the price?
사장은 이런 불법 작물을 취급하는 전당포를 소개해 줍니다. 그리고 소개를 받은 우루를 찾아갑니다.
Go upstairs and watch TV while Bubby does business. Okay?
Yeah, so my wife just thinks it's too showy.
Too showy, no? Is that why you don't wear a wedding ring?
You gonna buy the watch or you gonna analyze me?
I can do both at the same time.
루가 제시하는 가격은 터무니없었습니다.
I'll give you 65 for it.
Lipschitz was gonna give me 185.
Then he sent you to me. You could sell it legit, you wouldn't be here.
95.
뻔한 기싸움이라 생각하고 조금씩 가격을 올려보는 쿱. 하지만 쿱은 자신의 처지를 미처 생각하지 못했죠.
You don't understand this market, but you still think you can negotiate it. That's not savvy, that's stupidity.
Maybe it's just desperation.
That's the first honest thing you've said. Now we can do business. I'll give you 60.
You just said 65.
Deal. You got me back to my original price. Some negotiator.
돈 좀 생긴 쿱은 웨스트몬트 빌리지로 향합니다. 이곳은 말 그대로 가진 건 돈밖에 없는 갑부들이 모여 친목을 다지는 곳이죠.
The Oakwood Country Club. $100,000 a year buys you the privilege of paying 40% above market for every salad, burger, coffee, and cocktail they serve.
그리고 이곳엔 얼마 전 이혼을 한 샘이란 여성이 있는데 그녀는 쿱이 이혼한 뒤 몰래 만나고 있는 상대입니다.
You know, it's getting harder and harder to go to the club these days. The only bright spot is seeing you, and we have to pretend that nothing's going on.
샘의 집에도 꽤 좋은 물건이 많이 보입니다. 쿱은 토리와 같은 학교에 다니는 친구의 집을 텁니다. 그들은 토리와 테니스 시합이 예정되어 있어 집을 비운 상태고 쿱은 이것을 노려 또 비싼 물건에 손을 댑니다.
The Richard Mille Felipe Massa automatic chronograph with a signature rose gold and titanium skeleton and flyback function goes for upwards of $225,000.
게다가 서랍을 뒤져보자 놀라운 것들을 찾아냅니다.
Looked like Jules and Brad were leaving nothing to chance. They had bought next month's SATs, complete with the answer key.
필요한 것을 적당히 챙긴 뒤 시합장의 모습을 드러냅니다.
It was a strange new feeling being around someone when you had just been in their house going through their things. When you had their $225,000 watch in your pocket and they had no idea. If I'm being honest, I wasn't hating it.
이젠 이 상황을 즐기고 있는 쿱. 시합이 끝난 뒤 전당포로 향합니다.
It's not like I thought petty larceny was any kind of solution to my problems, but Lou had handed me 65 grand with no questions asked. And in my current situation, it was hard to argue with that kind of tax-free return on investment.
룰을 만납니다. 그런데
Your wife making you sell this one too?
I'm divorced.
No shit. Let me guess, you lost the papers for this one too. Go home, negotiator.
What?
No papers, no deal.
Thought you told me you could move this stuff.
Now I'm telling you, quit while you're ahead.
무슨 일인지 그녀는 더 이상 쿱의 물건을 받지 않겠다고 말합니다.
You can name your price.
Do I have to ask Rocco to show you out?
무서운 분위기에 일단 물러서는 쿱.
It's Lou. I'm sending you a plate number. Get me everything you can on this guy.
쿱은 바니를 만납니다. 그리고 바니에게 전화가 걸려오는데
Nick, hey. What's good, Barney? Just checking in on that refi for the gym.
불편하게도 닉에게 전화가 걸려옵니다.
You guys know the women have that self-defense thing tonight. Is that tonight?
웨스트몬트 빌리지 아내들이 호신술 수업을 받을 때 남자들은 닉의 집에 모여 파티를 합니다. 그리고 통화를 듣고 있던 쿱도 초대를 받죠.
We're all bachelors tonight, fellas. So I'm gonna get some meat and booze and have everyone over to hang. You guys in?
Sounds good.
Yes, sir. What about you, Coop?
Hard pass, Nick.
Yeah. Well, the invitation stands if you change your mind.
Yeah, I won't. Thanks.
원래 닉과 쿱은 친구였습니다. 이젠 서로 불편한 감정을 정리했으면 하는 바니.
It's been over a year. Maybe it's time to let this one go.
He slept with my wife.
That's true, but it's a little reductive, isn't it? Well, I'm not saying Nick didn't fuck up. He fucked up. She fucked up. But maybe you fucked up too, right? A little bit?
한편 옷을 갈아입던 멜은 이상한 걸 발견합니다. 업체를 불러 조사를 합니다.
You got carpet moths.
Carpet moths?
Yeah, they lay their eggs in your rugs. I found larvae in pretty much every room here.
Jesus.
Well, you know, it's a good thing you called me when you did, otherwise you'd have colonies here.
하지만 서둘러 방역을 하지 않으면 큰일 날 상황이죠.
First generation, best I can tell, but if you don't get rid of them now, you're gonna have colonies behind every wall in here, and you'll never get rid of them.
집으로 돌아온 쿱. 그런데 예상치 못한 손님이 있었습니다.
What are you doing here?
I was in the neighborhood.
루가 찾아왔습니다.
I came for the watch.
But she said you couldn't move it.
I had to be sure you weren't a cop.
그녀는 계속 비싼 시계를 가져오는 쿱의 수상에서 조사를 해보았고 직장을 잘린 것과 돈이 필요한 것 등 모든 상황을 파악합니다.
I'm not a thief.
I don't know what you are yet. I think maybe you don't either. Now why don't you go get that watch?
요즘 혼자 시간을 보내는 것이 점점 외로워지는 쿱은 샘에게 연락합니다. 하지만
House is empty. You want to come over?
I can't. I've got that self-defense thing.
Jesus, you too?
그녀도 호신술 강의에 참석한 상태고 어쩔 수 없이 쿱은 닉의 파티에 참석합니다.
It means a lot that you're here, really.
Let's not make a big deal about it.
Yeah, no.
사람들이 이미 잔뜩 취한 상태입니다.
That fucking guy took my wife. I'm not letting him take my friends too. That's the spirit. Jesus, how drunk are you?
그리고 닉은 집안 곳곳에 있는 장식물과 값비싼 챔피언 반지까지 보여주며 부를 자랑합니다.
There you go. Look at that, baby. You can hold it. You just can't put it on your finger.
Why not?
Because you didn't win a fucking championship. Now, did you, Peter?
그때 샘과 위자료 소송에 대해 얘기하는 폴.
She's bitter and jealous and greedy as fuck. That bitch is trying to clean me out. I made her a generous offer, but her bullshit attorneys convinced her she deserves a bigger slice of the pie.
샘을 욕하자 굽이 발끈합니다.
She's the mother of your children. Why you gotta talk like that? I guess we're just built different. Nick there's fucking the mother of your children, and you brought him a fancy bottle of wine.
결국 둘의 몸싸움이 벌어지고 샘은 분위기 전환을 위해 사람들을 진정시킵니다.
Okay, everyone, now it's a party. You know what? $1,000 to anyone who can score on me. Yeah. Who's feeling lucky? Yeah.
샘은 밀과 대화를 합니다.
And also, after cheating on me, God knows how many times, he's lawyering up as if I'm the one who committed the crime. I mean,
I guess I have it easier with Coop.
Well, yeah, it's not really the same. I mean, you're the Paul in your equation, right?
똑 부러지는 팩트 공격에 할 말을 잃은 멜.
But that was after years of just trying to get Coop to pay attention to us. To me. No matter what I tried, the chasm between us got wider and wider, and at a certain point, there was nothing I could do.
So you fucked one of his best friends.
둘은 호신술 수업을 받는 도중에도 알게 모르게 신경전이 오갔습니다. 그리고 이런 기싸움은 계속 이어집니다.
Can I just do this?
Ow! Ow! Oh my God! Yeah. Hey. Okay, Mel. Ow.
Hey, what the fuck are you? Yeah, take that. Can you just?
No. Oh, come on. Tap out. That's not how tapping out works.
I started disappearing, becoming like one small part of his life instead of the thing that mattered most. It was like he only had so much space in him, and I just wanted too much of it. But I don't think Coop has that space in him.
사람은 긴 시간을 살아가다 보면 변하게 됩니다. 이건 처음 만날 당시 여유로웠던 마음속 공간에 여러 가지 상처와 경험이 쌓이기 때문입니다.
You ever look at something you've been staring at for so long? You suddenly realize you stopped seeing it a long time ago?
What are we talking about?
My life.
그렇게 마음속 변화를 감추고 살아가게 되면 이미 변해버린 자신을 감추는 것에만 열중하게 됩니다.
Though, once you get into a certain frame of mind, everything in this town is a fucking metaphor. Which can make it really hard to figure out what, if anything, is real.
다음 날, 멜이 찾아옵니다.
I've been thinking about getting a professional coach for Tori. It's about $1,000 a week. Just wanted to run it by you.
I am her coach. And she works here with Eddie. She's
I know.
doing just fine.
I'm talking about a
You're
professional.
talking about one of Nick's guys, huh?
This isn't about Nick. This is about what's best for Tori. The next few months are critical, and you know how badly she wants a chance to play for Princeton.
She doesn't need a professional coach.
At the very least, she needs someone who shows her.
얼마 전 쿱은 시계를 훔치느라 토리의 경기에 늦었습니다. 그리고 이혼하기 전에도 이런 가족 행사에 밥 먹듯이 늦었죠.
You got a lot of watches here, Mr. Sperling. Why would a thief take only the one?
That one alone is worth 225 grand.
So the thief didn't want to be greedy. The fact that the other watches are here makes me wonder if you might have misplaced it.
Who misplaces a watch that expensive?
I don't know. Maybe the same person who buys one?
다행히도 경찰은 아직 절도로 의심하지 않습니다. 하지만 이런 비슷한 신고가 늘어나게 된다면 그땐 상황이 달라질 겁니다.
Now, we're going to introduce our voltage. Voila. And if that doesn't work, there's always brute force.
굽은 유튜브를 통해 잠금을 해제하는 방법을 배웁니다. 그리고 굽은 소질이 있는지 단번에 성공합니다.
Nick's championship ring, and the notion that all things considered, I was getting pretty good at this. Or not.